Rotor-Stator Homogenizer, Operation Video. The standard package includes one homogenizer and one dispersing head. Available in 5mm, 7mm, and 10mm options. How to install the stand. A stand consists of these parts. Secure the stand rod and stand supports with the screws. Tighten the screws with the hex key. Thread the rod into the stand base. Slide the boss head onto the long rod. Secure it with a star knob. Thread the short rod into the clamp. Slide the rod with the clamp into the boss head. Secure the rod with a star knob. How to install the dispersing head. Remove the rotor from the dispersing head assembly. Press and hold the shaft lock. Insert the rotor into the homogenizer and screw the lock nut tightly. Ensure the PTFE component is snapped into the bottom groove before installing the stator. Thread the stator onto the homogenizer and tighten it. How to uninstall the dispersing head. Unscrew the stator and remove it from the homogenizer. Press and hold the shaft lock. Unscrew the lock nut and remove the rotor assembly. Secure the homogenizer with a star knob. How to operate the homogenizer. Add sample into the beaker. For optimal dispersion, adjust the boss head so that the dispersing head is positioned about 2/3 below the liquid's surface and 1/3 above the bottom of the beaker. Make sure to set the speed dial to the lowest setting before you turn on the machine. Slide the speed control switch from the lowest setting up, gradually increase speed. Beaker can be moved around for better dispersion. Loosen the star knob to lift the homogenizer and remove the beaker. Change the dispersing head to fit into the test tube. Homogenize the sample by moving the homogenizer up and down inside the test tube.